أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum to students. Today we'll learn the lesson number 2 of Noorani Qaida. The lesson number 2 is haroof-e-murakkabat. Haroof-e-murakkabat. Two or more letters combine to form a murakkab, like compound. Pronounce each of the murakkab letters separately like mufrad letters. The first one letter is alif. Alif. Pronounce alif from the empty space of the mouth. Alif, lam, alif, lam. Pronounce lam from the edge of the tongue touching the gums of all the top front teeth. Lam, alif. The third letters is lam, alif, ba, alif, ba. Ba pronounced from the wet part of both lips. Ba, alif, noon, alif, noon, alif. Noon. Pronounce noon from the tip of the tongue touching the gums of the top four front teeth. Noon. Alif. Ta. Alif. Ta. Ta pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. Ta. Alif. These are called haroof-e-murakkabat because they are two letters joined together. Ta. Alif. The next line is ja. Alif. Ja. Ja pronounced from the middle part of the tongue touching the middle part of the palate. Ja, alif, alif, and alif pronounced from the empty space of mouth. Tha, alif, tha, alif. Tha pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. Tha, alif, sheen, alif, sheen. Sheen sound like a whistle sound. Sheen, alif, seen, alif, seen, alif. Fa alif, fa alif, qaf alif. This one qaf will be bold because this qaf have dots. Qaf alif, qaf. Pronounce qaf from the root of the tongue touching the soft part of the palate. Qaf alif, jim alif, jim. Jim pronounced from the middle part of the tongue touching the middle part of the palate. Jim alif, kha alif, kha. Kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. Kha alif, ha. Ha alif, ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Ha alif, ain alif, ain alif, ain. Ain pronounced from the middle part of the throat. Ghain alif, ghain alif, sqad alif, sqad alif, sqad alif. These are the haroof-e-murakkabat because they are two letters joined together. If you are not familiar these words, then listen our lesson number 1 of Noorani Qaida. This lesson is enough for today. Now we'll read the next haroof-e-murakkabat in our next lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.